Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today we'll show you our second Diwali combo, another sweet and a savory. For sweet we are going to have a Kesar Mava roll. First let's do that. So whichever measure you take, use the same measure for all the ingredients. So with this cup measure, I am taking 2 cups of cashew nuts. Use the pulse mode and make it into a powder. Now 1 cup of almonds or badam. This also you do the pulse mode and make it a coarse powder. Add the cashew nut powder in a pan. With the same cup I have 1 cup of milk powder. Any brand milk powder you can take. And 1 cup of powdered sugar. First mix all these ingredients well together. I have not yet switched on the gas. First I am just mixing all this cashew, milk powder and powdered sugar. Now first from this cup you pour out half a cup of milk. Mix it well. Like this, pour it little by little. Now mix everything well together. Now we'll switch on the gas and keep the flame low, that is on sim, and continue stirring it over a low flame. See, can you see it all coming together and thickening? Cook it for a few minutes more till it leaves the sides and becomes nice and dry. See, this gets done quite fast. It's just 5 minutes now. It has become nice and thick. Now add this coarsely powdered almonds or badam. Always the trick is to do it only on pulse mode. Otherwise, if you run it in the regular blender mode, it will become oily and sticky. You won't get a powder like this. So use only the pulse mode. Now again mix everything well together. See, it has become nice and dry, completely leaving the sides and coming together like this. Now we can switch this off. I'm adding some cardamom powder for flavor. I had soaked a few strands of saffron in some milk and kept ready. So we'll add that also. Again mix everything well together so that the cardamom and saffron flavor gets distributed well. Now we'll allow this to cool well. Let it come down to room temperature. Just leave it to cool. This has cooled down very well. Here I have some pista which I have again pulsed coarsely and kept ready. Take out just teaspoonfuls of this dough and smear your hands with some ghee like this. Take out 1 portion, roll it well between your palms like this. Then you can shape it into a roll like this, into an oblong roll. And then roll this in this powdered pista. Keep it aside. See, you can smear ghee on your palms, roll it out, keep it ready like this and just roll it in the pista. Likewise, make with the remaining dough and our sweet will be ready. See, our delicious Kesar Mava roll is ready in a very short time and very easy method too. Happy Deepavali! Next in the combo we'll make Moong Dal Chakli. For this I have taken 2 cups of rice flour. This is store-bought rice flour. And we will require half cup of Moong Dal flour. So first we'll just dry roast the Moong Dal. Just lightly dry roast it till it becomes hot to touch. Do it over a low flame. Now it is hot to the touch but the color has not changed. Now we can switch it off. Transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. When cool, grind it into a powder in your blender jar. Transfer the flour to a sieve and sieve this Moong Dal flour well. Measure out half a cup of the sieved Moong Dal flour and add it to the rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour. Add the required salt. 1 teaspoon of this white sesame seeds. Add half a tablespoon of ghee and mix all the ingredients well together. To this I am adding some Hing dissolved in water because I have used the Hing cubes. If you are using Hing powder, you can add directly to it. Next, add in water little at a time to make a smooth and soft dough. We have made it into a soft but firm dough. Now take the required portion in your save press and I am using this single star mold for the chakri. Remaining dough you cover it and keep, and you can press it out into concentric circles. Be sure to join the end. To check if the oil is hot, just put a small piece of dough. It should come up to the surface like this. When the oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium and gently slide in these chaklis one by one into the hot oil. I prefer to make mini chaklis like this so that people can eat just one piece at a time. The bubbles reduce, gently flip them over and again cook it till the bubbles reduce considerably. Remove them and they are a golden color like this. Likewise, fry the remaining chaklis also. Our next batch is also done and ready. When I say each one can take one, what I mean is you need not break. You can serve them as individual pieces. Otherwise, if you make a large chakli, you have to break it and serve. When it comes to room temperature, store it in an airtight box like this. Enjoy these crispy and crunchy Moong Dal Chaklis and share it with your family and friends. So our second Diwali combo of Kesar Mava roll and this Moong Dal Chakli is also ready. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.